gosh, you guys, my wedding dress came in. Let's open it up together. This is my secondary dress, my reception / dancing dress. It's a bit shorter and I'm so excited. It just arrived all the way from St. Petersburg. Just unwrapped it and it's from the designer Olivia Bottega, and I got this when it was on sale. They were having a small sale. I want to say it was like 20% off or something. Like that. Here she is. Oh my goodness, hold on, I have to get her out. Here she is. There is a dress bag inside of the box as well, but oh my god, she is so much heavier than I thought she was gonna be. Oh my god, here she is out of the box. Look at how glittery she is. Oh, it is definitely a little bit long, but it's not super long. As you guys can see, look at the beautiful detailing at the top. Are we seeing the sparkle? Oh my goodness. Here she is in real life. Literally, it's too beautiful.